This year at Rock Solid Fitness, we are rolling out something big, something more than a resolution, something that will get you pumped and keep you going, something that will give you your life back, something that will not only help you get to your health and fitness goals, but excel at them. This year at Rock Solid Fitness, we are introducing the all-new, all-in membership. When you become all-in at Rock Solid Fitness, we are elevating your fitness journey and experience literally to a whole other tier. From special, individualized Rock Solid Fitness gear, unlimited in-bodies, complete, all-inclusive nutritional guidance and accountability appointments week to week, full postural analysis and range of motion assessments, customized and individualized workouts, access to post-workout snacks to help you reach your goals better, discounts on various Rock Solid Fitness products, priority scheduling, and more. All you have to do is show up, give your best effort each time, listen to your coach, and stay consistent with your healthy habits, and we will help you take care of the rest to help you get to where you want to be. Now that you know that we're all in, the only question we have for you is,
are you all in?
Are you all in?
Are you all in?
Are you all in?